Are your gutters in need of an upgrade? Investing in new gutters can transform not just your home's appearance, but also its functionality. Let's explore the incredible benefits of modern gutters. First up, effective water management. New gutters ensure proper water drainage, directing rain away from your roof and foundation. This reduces the risk of water damage, mold growth, and erosion, protecting your home from costly repairs down the line. Old, damaged gutters lead to clogs and overflows. This can cause unsightly stains on your walls and even compromise your home's structural integrity. By installing new gutters, you can avoid these issues, keeping your home safe and dry. Aesthetic appeal is another major benefit. New gutters come in a variety of styles and colors, allowing you to enhance your home's curb appeal. Whether you prefer sleek modern lines or classic designs, there's an option to match your home's unique character. With efficient gutters, you can also enjoy your outdoor spaces more. By preventing water from pooling around your foundation, you can create a drier, safer yard for family gatherings, gardenings, and even playtime. Let's not forget about ease of maintenance. Many new gutter systems are designed for efficiency, featuring materials that resist rust and debris buildup. This means less time spent cleaning and more time enjoying your home. Ready to elevate your home's protection and style? Contact us today for a free consultation. Our expert team will help you choose the perfect gutter solution tailored to your needs. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in new gutters and protect your home today.